Hello and welcome to another video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Paloma. My artist name is Paloma the Peach, and in this vlog we're doing a little bit of an art market vlog, as you can tell by the title. I've done a couple of these before, but this time I attended Sprinkle Trinkle Town, which was an event in Dallas run by Annie or Tabatai, and I did the first iteration of it back in January, so this is the second time that she puts it together, and it was a really fun time. I'm gonna let you guys watch the vlog. I was super busy the days leading up to it, prepping products and packing up, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So I have a very big haul for you guys. Post Sprinkle Trinkle, I shopped at a ton of different vendors. I met some really amazing artists, so I'm very excited to show you guys the stuff that I chose. So I'm gonna move fairly quickly. I'm not gonna go into detail about every single thing, and I'm also going to put the artist name or username on the screen just because there's so much stuff and I don't want this to be an hour long. So I bought a couple things from Strange Powers Press, and they had a lot of really beautiful work, and it was really difficult for me to choose, but I ended up getting this big boy print, and this is definitely going to be something that I frame. And I also got this smaller one to have in my studio because this is just so beautiful and it makes me want to make something like sauce related as well. And then I also got this big butterfly sticker just because it's so cute and so cool. Then Natalie Anderson was there, and I've been a big fan of her work for a long time, as I'm sure a lot of us have been. So I had to get a print. I got the little, I think it's her fish grid print maybe, but you guys know I'm really into fish. I'm really into the sea right now, so colors are beautiful, and this is going to be another big print that I want to frame. I met a really cool artist named Coco, and I bought this amazing print from her. Like, the colors are just crazy. I'm in love with it. And then I also got this computer sticker. Like, how cool is that? They are so talented. I met them at last Sprinkle. They weren't vending, but they like came up to talk to me, and they're really nice. And then I finally got to see their work, and I'm just in love with everything that they make. I picked up another print from Soft Spots Press, run by Kristen and Gino, also very, very sweet people, and I decided on this little guy. I tried to get like different sizes of prints so that I could try to fit them on my print wall. And then EJ was also vending, and I vended with her in the last Sprinkle, and she's so cool. We always connect really well. So she posted this on her Instagram a couple days ago, and I'm really glad she had a print of it because I need it. I got it. And then I also got this Garfield cowboy sticker, which I got 2 of because I needed to get one for my partner. But yeah, this one's so cute as well. I picked up a print from Boyya Son. Really cool print, and they're just like so talented. Now, I also connected with McKenna Quick, and she makes really cool stuff too. I got this print, this little baby print, this sticker sheet that is so cute. I picked up a couple of stickers as well. I really love the tones that she used in this. This little guy, which is like, I'm so excited about it. He's so cute, and I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be an incense holder, but I don't really burn incense that often, so I think he's just gonna be a little desk buddy for me, and I just think he's so cute. This is from McKenna Quick too, and this is like the cutest little ceramic hair clip ever. I think I want to wear it tomorrow. Picked up some stuff from Sonia, and this print is just so beautiful. Amazing colors. Also got another sticker for my partner. Got this print from Dalton Doodles. I vend with him a lot. This sticker for my partner as well. I also got to see Play Nice Press again, run by Allison and Jacob. They're also very, very sweet. And I picked up this print just because like their Rezo prints are so good. And this sticker. Little Kirby sticker. Another thing from my partner, from Nate, and I believe his username is Moist Pixels, but yeah, just like a really cool, I believe it's Rezo. I mean, it looks like Rezo print, and very much my partner's style. This little smiling friend sticker from Ella Doodles, also for my partner. And then I saw this vendor that sells stickers all in like a cube form, which I thought was really cool. So I picked up a few from her. So I got that Magikarp, I got this Maruchan, this froggy chair one is so good, green tea bottle, and a Psyduck for my partner. Now I got this massive Godzilla print, and I believe it's Rezo. It looks like it is from Best of Friendo. My partner is really into Godzilla, and this print is just like crazy detailed and so beautiful. So I got him that. Now I discovered another artist that I really loved, and their name is Cinta. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. But I picked up this sketch zine because they had a bunch of them, and I just thought that they were so cool. Their style is so sick, and I also love this color. So yeah, I picked up a little sketch zine, and then I also got this charm of this little guy. I love him. I can't wait to put him on my keys. I think they included these like really cool stickers with it, and then I'm pretty sure this one is from them too. Just like such a cool color palette. Oh, I forgot to show this one from Jelly Art. Just like a really cute little mini tomato print. And you guys know it, like I'm in my tomato moment right now. I also saw Milky Tea Studios. I connected with them a long time ago before they even started vending, so it was really nice to see that they're vending so often now, and like their setup is so cool. So I got a few stickers from her, these little guys. I'm extra excited about this because I've never had a pop socket on my phone, and they just had such cool ones. I had to get one. Another artist that I was vending near and discovered was Medium Mushroom, and I was seeing everybody walking around with these little cubby mayo pencil pouches, and I was like, I need one. You guys know I'm a big cubby baby girl, so I had to get one, and this is like one of my favorite things that I purchased. They also had like this little doll pouch. I don't know if you guys have seen like these little doll holders that you can clip onto your bag and stuff. They had a lot of different shapes, but I went for like this little fishy shaped one, and I'm really excited to put a little guy in here. I saw this vendor that was selling like a lot of photo card holders or ID card holders, and they were selling sauce ones, and they had a cubby mayo one. Shout out to them because these were supposed to be gotchas, but I was telling them that I really wanted the cubby one because I'm a cubby girl, and they were helping me out, like putting them up to the light to try and see which one would be the cupie one, and I got it, so I'm really excited to put a photo card in here. I ran into this artist again. I know that I've vended with them before. My partner has one of their prints, but this sticker is just so fucking cool, and like the colors are beautiful, and they ended up giving me this sticker too. So cool. So we did a little bit of a trade, and then Bryson and I also did a trade. He gave me stickers that he felt like were my vibe. And he's just so talented, like, makes such cool work. This one's my favorite. This one's definitely me. Something else that I picked up that's like super unique is this little kunipachi bag, and it's handmade, and it's by the vendor Fruit Scented, and she was selling like a bunch of handmade and hand sewn bags, and they were all really cool, but I fell in love with this one. I feel like it's like a really unique size, so definitely for like a cute day out sort of thing, but I fell in love with it, and it's so soft. I also got to see Lady Cherry Art, another wonderful artist that I've vended with a couple of times. Picked up this plant jar sticker, so pretty. And then I did another trade with Moldy World, and they had a bunch of Monchichi stuff, which is so cool. I'm a big Monchichi girl. Monchichi was like my mom and I's thing when I was little, so really excited about that. And then like this little bunny sticker too. I think that's all I got as far as the market goes. Now I did get Sprinkle merch, so I got the shirt because I did miss out on it last time, and I love the boxy fit and everything. And then I also got the CD keychain just because like I don't have a CD keychain. This is so unique and so cute, so I wanted like a couple of things to sort of memorialize the event. And then I stopped at Magic Heart Shop, which is one of the organizers' storefront, and she sells a lot of really cute things. I got this keychain. I don't know if you guys have seen these little characters on Instagram. I see them all the time on TikTok too, and they're kind of hard to find here in Houston. I don't know if it's just me, like I haven't been able to find them, but she had a bunch of different things from them. So I got this like little chocolate mousse sort of keychain, and then I got from the same little characters this like tiny bag. This is definitely like a really nice coin purse, or like I think I'm gonna use this for when I do other events. I can keep my cash in here. Like it's like really small and tight to my body, so it's really cute. It's like a little sea bug guy. Another keychain, this time it's a Pochaco plush keychain, and I fell in love with this one because his head is so big and his face is so small, and he's eating potato chips. I already opened this blind box, but I haven't taken out the pieces. It's the Hangyodan Room blind box, and I got this set. Hangyodan is my favorite Sanrio character next to Pochaco, so I had to get that blind box. I also picked up the like Crybaby Sad Club blind boxes. I don't know if you guys have seen these, but I ended up getting the one I wanted, and it's really cute. So that is my haul for the weekend. very long weekend. I know I didn't talk much during like the vlog of the weekend just because so hectic, so exhausting, but like in a good way. You know, every day I would come back to the Airbnb and just feel completely exhausted, and I looked really fried. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was like a nice mix up to the other vlogs, and I hope you discovered some really cool artists from the stuff that I bought, and I will see you guys in the next one. Before we close out today's video, I wanted to talk about the sponsor, which is Squarespace. If you don't know what Squarespace is, it's an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website. And I have always used Squarespace to run my website and my online art business. And I just redid my website. It is looking brand new. It is looking fresh. I use their new Fluid engine, which is pretty cool. And that basically just means that you can like drag and drop stuff around. Now, because I run my art business on there, I also use their commerce tool, which keeps track of a lot of different things like my orders, my customer data, my inventory, all that fun stuff. So if you're interested in Squarespace, you can go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and you can use my code for 10% off your first purchase.